Are you interested in cybersecurity? Check out the Sierra Cyber Summit on October 24th and 25th. This is being hosted at the TechGrid at 221 West Inyokern Road in Ridgecrest, California. During this 2-day event, there's going to be career workshops, there's going to be a capture the flag, and a few different things that you can check out in between. Make sure to register. We have a few laptops available, but if you can bring your own, that would be great, and load in a couple pieces of software. We need you to make sure that you can SSH to the CTF environment, or the capture the flag environment. One of the ways to do that is using the free MOBA Xterm SSH client, which you can download and run. Otherwise, you can also install PuTTY, which you can go through and find at this site to go through, download, and install. If you're working on a more locked down system that you do not have administrative control over, there is something called a portable app you can go through and install from portableapps.com. These are a little bit older, but if you don't have admin, this is a temporary file that will run to give you access. After you've gone through and downloaded some way to be able to SSH to the environment, the last piece, if you want to be able to make this smooth, is installing something called Spice, which you can find at spice-space.org. Assuming you're running a Windows environment, roll down to the Windows installer option and click the virt-viewer Windows installer. Once you've gone and done this, this is going to open up a new page. Scroll down until you see virt-viewer. You're going to install this for your operating system. Most likely this is going to be Win x64 as an MSI. Again, you will have to have admin access to your box to get this installed. Once this is done, the install is very simple. You can go through, double click to install it. It'll take it a minute. Afterwards, this is a very simple viewer for you to be able to use something called remote viewer to then use the Spice protocol to log into the boxes remotely. At this point, if you see this window, that's all you need to do to be prepped. You will be given this information when you join us for the Capture the Flag event. We hope to see you there.